guys, this is Will Turner back here in Sugarland with another update. We're gonna catch up on a few weeks of progress, and here behind me what you now see is the exhaust stacks for our new paint booths. So I know you guys saw the pits in the earlier videos, and so this is ultimately what those pits run to. We have our makeup air units are blowing the air into the paint booths from the top, and then our exhaust pits on the bottom are sucking that air out through these large exhaust fans. You can see 6 of them behind me. And then that exhaust will go through multiple sets of filters, come up through these exhaust fans and out through our exhaust stacks. We are back inside now. We have our paint booths number 2 and 3 behind me. And as you can see, we have the paint robots, the gantry structure and the robots themselves have been installed. We've tested functionality of the robots to make sure they can move and operate, which they were able to. And now we are going to finish constructing the paint booths 2 and 3 around these robots. And then here in a few weeks, once construction is finished, we'll actually be doing the testing, validation, operation of the robots with some of our products in there. And we are now in our sales and marketing office. Probably a lot different than it looked the last time I think I shot some footage in here. We're pretty much finished up. So we have all of our carpet down, we have all of our acoustical ceiling tile in, all of our lights are in. It almost feels kind of weird wearing full construction costume in here with the amount of work that has been done. So once we get our certificate of occupancy, we'll be moving in furnitures. We'll have a bunch of cubicles in this areas and furnish all of the desks in the office. So it's really close.